So doing binary addition is dead easy. It's so easy, honestly. I'm not very good at maths. I personally absolutely hate it. Don't really like doing it, despite being a computer science teacher. But to add up really big numbers in binary, you only really need to be able to up to 3. It's dead easy. So let's have 2 numbers. Let's do it in red so it's nice and clear. So we're going to add 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. We're going to add that to 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, let's say. Okay, now to add it up, it is dead easy. Okay, we just need to follow some rules. So 0 plus 0, as you can imagine, is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. And 1 plus 1 equals, now this is where it gets a little bit weird, it's 0. But we put a 1 on the next step. Okay, I'll explain that in a moment. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the same, but with 2 1s. Like that, okay? So, think here that binary for 2 is 1, 0. Here we've got 1, 0, okay? So 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 1 plus 1 is 1. 1, 1 is 3, okay? So it's a 1 with a 1 on the step, okay? I'll explain that in a moment. So if we go here, we've got 1 plus 1. So we look down here. 1 plus 1 is 2, so 1, 0. So we put a 0 here, and we put a 1 on the step. We then do 0 plus 0 plus 1. Well, that's just 1, because it's 0 plus 1 again. So we just put a 1 down. 1 plus 0 and 1 plus 0, that's just 1. 1. And we've got 0, 0. Now, here's where we get a bit of a problem, which I'm going to show you in a moment. So here we've got 1 plus 1. So that's 2 again. So it's a 0, 1 on the step. Now here we've got 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it's a 1 and then a 1 on the step. Okay? Now, obviously, we're at the end of our number here. Okay? We've got 8 numbers. So our number is technically going to be 1, 1, 3 zeros, 1, 1, 1, 0. But that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers long. Okay, so mathematically, like the math, that's fine, that's correct. It just means that we'd have a 256 column. So this column here at the end would be 256, and the adding up would be fine. However, if you've only got space to store this part of the number, that extra 1 is gone. Okay, and what actually happens is because of this, a thing on the CPU called the overflow flag gets triggered, and it's basically your computer will tell you off. It'll either crash, or it'd say there's an overflow, or it'd freak out, or it might just ignore that extra 1 and then the maths will be wrong. Okay, so if your number is too big for the memory space you've allotted for your number, so 9 bits and 8 bits for example, that is an overflow error and it wouldn't work. Okay, however, if you've got a normal number that will fit perfectly in, so we've got 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's go 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, let's say. Add it up just like before. So 0 and 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0, 1 on the step. 1 plus 1 is 1 is a 1, 1 on the step, 1, 1 on the step, 1, 0, 0, 1. If I can fit it in. There we go. And that's it. That's binary addition. Dead easy to do. Just adding up to 3. Okay? If your number doesn't fit in, you haven't made a mistake. That's probably what the exam board is trying to get you to find. So you can say that there's an overflow error. And that is it.